camera, yeah. Look who's on the camera. He's not here.
He's like, I don't care about shit. Hi, hello, and welcome back to Hello Sparkles, where we conjure the spirit of Halloween through arts and crafts. Welcome if you're new here. I make arts and crafts, obviously. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and a thumbs up because I know you're gonna love it. And today we are just doing a little bit of a cozy decorate video. So I've been out of the YouTube recording for a minute. Things have been going on if you've been keeping up on my socials. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this face. I found something that wasn't supposed to be in that box. Alan, gotta go get onto him. So this video, like I said, is just going to be me decorating. Nothing super special. As I said before, been out of the game of recording for a minute, so I just wanted to jump back in with something kind of easy and simple, and this was super simple. So I hope you guys enjoy it, of just decorating with me. I know everybody else has already done this and it's like almost over for everybody else, but my season is just beginning and I'm going to be carrying my spooky season on into November because of stuff that's been going on, and you'll see why. I'm not going to address it in this video, but we will be dressing in the next video and celebrating 1,000 subscribers. That's right, 1,000 Crafty Coven members. Can you believe there's 1,000 of you? And on from that now, there's even more of you now. I cannot believe that. I am so ecstatic. Wow. This is so exciting. So I will be doing something to celebrate. I haven't figured it out yet, but stay tuned. You do know it will be happening. Sit back, enjoy. I hope you love the video. Okay, so here's the before. Don't judge my blankets on my couches, and the after. I do hope you guys enjoyed this decorate with me. Super simple, and I think it came together pretty cute. Yeah. You see why I have blankets on all those couches and ottomans? Yes, I said ottomans because of somebody else that's in my life that says ottomans. It's a joke. Yeah. I hope you guys love this, and I will be recording more soon. And yeah, I and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave some comments below because it loves the YouTube algorithm when it does that, so more people can find the Crafty Coven. I'll talk to you all later. Bye!